5s and at times best of 7s, pare, because they have 2 additional maps that we don't have. Please,
Wow.
give us Gusu City, please. I'm telling you right now. Power supply, yes, give it to us, man. I'd rather see that than Mexico, in all honesty. Pero yun nga, back to the ball game. We go X solo queue dito naman sa GR side once again. Somsri starting out dito sa BL, and let's see what their take is pagdating dito sa compound.
Oo, so RTA, nagbabantay na naman siya dito sa LA side and forcing any members of Somsri to just, back out, kalma lang, at pumwesta naman sila dito sa mid. Nag-reposition sila dito sa mid side. Pero yung problema, parang walang katao-tao nagbabantay sa mid para sa side ng X-Solo Q, at siguro yan ang isang butas sa kanilang depensa. Somsri ba, malalaman ba nila na easily takeable ba to? Pero mukhang hindi yun yung kaso. Binibigyan nila ng respeto tong mid side, tapos I think gusto nila mag-converge at siguro mag-push dito sa B-Link, ano? Yan na nga, papunta na nga sila dyan sa B-Link, pero may dalawang miyembro ng X-Solo Q na nag-aabang. Slowly but surely, pushing out. And ayan na nga, tuloy-tuloy na ang barilan. Look, hanap ng tatlo! Finding the 3 na iyon lang dito si YF na shut down completely ang paggagawa ng Somsri dito. Oo, isang sniper shot ang nahanap ni YF. Kaso nga lang, yung buong miyembro ng team of X-Solo Q ay nagbabantay sa'yo sa kabila ng pintuan na yan.
Yeah, hindi na pinalagpas ni RTA yun. He pushed storage room as soon as he saw an opportunity, and even getting more mid control para sa kanyang team. But the bait and switch, Luke once again, absolute highlight play with the support frags after that initial first contact. Grabe, she has been very impressive dito sa series natin so far. Really stepping up to the plate para dito sa X-Solo Q. And this actually gives a lot of room para dito kay Min8 to relax a bit. They don't have to heavily rely on the snipers anymore since everyone is online. And ayun nga, they're just gonna play passive once again. And don't really have to worry about mid. Merong angle dito sa A where you can see the entirety ng mid-cross dito. So they're gonna play those angles and make Somsri doubt themselves.
Okay. So ngayon, slowly but surely, gusto atang gawin dito ni Somsri. Papasok na din sila dito sa mid. Kaya ang tanong, ano yung utility na pwede nila itapon? Mukhang tinapon nila yung utility, pampa-block off dyan sa A side. And saan na ba sila susugod? Sa A side pa din. Min8, nakahanap ng isa, RTA, dalawahan, isa pa ba? Hindi. QRL, shut down. YF, shuts it down again. Kaso nga lang, si Min8, gamit ng kanyang sniper, pinatay na naman. Nahuli na lang dito si QRL, hulog na po siya, 2-0 lead para sa side ng X-Solo Q. Grabe yung team na to. Feeling ko, pagaling pa sila ng pagaling.
Yep, and I like yung up-down na angle na ginawa nila dito sa A-site, occupying itong C3 and yung near corner ng EA. That's very hard to clear, especially nakita natin kanina, they just walked in one by one itong Somsri. And unfortunately getting punished, pero Min8 all the way pushed up sa main. RTA even getting the punish. Pero RS, QRL down. It's not looking great para sa side ng Somsri, pero X-Solo Q, it's a 2v2, pero yung C4 na iwan dito sa base.
Oh my goodness, OP. OB rather, naghanap ng siya pang pitas pero wala. SL2, handang-handa, and naiwan na dito si XX. Yan, nakuha niya ang C4, papunta na din dito siya sa kabilang site sa A. Kaso nga lang, feeling ko maririnig ito ng SL2 or ni Luke as they try to just walk up all the way. Contract. Slowly but surely.
Narinig na nga. Hear the step.
And how does XX not hear this? C4 pa rin nasa kamay niya. He find one and he does not find a second. Luke, tinuloy-tuloy ang momentum ng X-Solo Q. Tatlo na ang agwat dito sa first half natin sa set 3.
Grabe, Luke. Once again, she is saving yung mga rounds para dito sa X-Solo Q. It's a similar start sa nakita natin dito sa port. The first 4 rounds potentially going in the way ng X-Solo Q. And that is the struggle para dito sa Somsri, no? parang nahahalata na slow starter sila sa mga ibang part ng mapa natin. And they're not getting the momentum na nakukuha nila from the prior series na nilaro nila dito. So at the moment, XSoloQ is taking full advantage of yung slowness dito ng Somsri sa pagkuha ng map control. And even then, they're now starting to peek into yung offense dito ng Somsri, trying to get a pick-off.
Okay. And now, we are down here to 4v5, unfortunately. Unfortunately, a 4v5.
They can't call a dead round. Bawas na si Bin8.
Oo nga eh. Okay. So let's see what will happen here. Back to default. Ano nang gagawin dito ng Somsri? At ito yung maganda sa side ng XSoloQ, no? Somsri, alam natin na mahilig talaga sila dito sa mga default na pinaggagawa nila. Pero sa surprising side, no? Yung XSoloQ, hindi nila binibigay kahit isang pitas to the side of SR. At kung meron man may isang nag-push, may isang nasa tao sa ilalim, may kasama yun ready na pag-i-trade siya. So, that's what it is. 50 seconds na lang naiwan dito sa orasan. Ano ba ang pwede nilang puntahan? Mukhang an opening nahanap ni QRL. Buti na lang, it equalizes the number, pero hindi nila ito itutuloy. 36 seconds, yung C4 nasa mid pa din. What's the call? Akyat dito sa tower. Kaso nga lang, tatlo. Nagbabantay sa mid.
Pushing.
What is
pushing
the
CA.
play? Ayan na nga. Icos finds for one. And at least that might be enough for now. Pero hindi. Minate almost finds two.
He can see in C4.
Red life. He knows where the C4 is. Icos can definitely just clean this up. Obi, low. Obi, dead. 8 seconds. Tago na lang siya. Hindi na lang niya kailangan maghanap. He just needs to just wait. And there we go. Great play coming up from XSoloQ.
Oh, what a heads-up play to push itong CA, no? I think Somsri, they found, or rather, na-expose yung kanilang timing na nakafocus na sila entirely dito sa curve and dito sa EA. And that one split second, dun pa may nag-push galing sa side ng XSoloQ, exposing their backside. Unfortunate, and Min8 now getting aggressive. Pumasok siya ng tower, and that could deny so much of the map kung kaya nilang i-keep yung position na to.
Yeah.
Pero hindi. That's the risk.
Yeah. Pero ngayon, slowly but surely, hearing yung mga angulo, no? As Icos nagbabantay dito sa ace. And as much as they really want to enter in, hirapan sila. As, okay, going to the link. And just finding for anything that could work. And in this 4v5, still slow na default. Dapat mag-ingat na sila dito. Nala natin ano nangyari last time. Somri, masyado silang mabagal, na timeout sila. And that is something that you don't want. Especially if a team like XSoloQ, sinasakal ka ng ganyan. Buti na lang, nakahanap pa sila ng mga pitas. At mukhang after a long while, Somsri, makahanap sila ng isang punto dito sa first half na to.
Yep, less reckless now pagdating sa kanilang mga executes dito, and they caught yung sniper dito ng XSoloQ being a bit aggressive sa tower. It's a reasonable spot to take kung wala naman masyadong presence dito sa mid kasi pwede kang kumuha ng player dito sa LA. But once you're caught dito sa tower and you're already low HP, knowing na may fall damage pa pag lumabas ka ng window, you are basically shafted pag nakastay ka lang dun.
Let's see. Holding it out. C4 hindi pa din na-decide kung saan puntahan. You know, feeling ko pagdating dito ni Somsri in any of these rounds, kung mag-fast-paced push sila, feeling ko mas komportable ata yung komfortable yung XSoloQ para alam mo yun, lumaban sa fight style na yan, no? Yung mabilisan mag-push, yung classic clan style war. Okay, dito sa mid nakita natin so nagkukumpulan na yung mga membro ng Somsri. Kaso nga lang dahil nagkukumpulan sila, isang spray down lang ang kailangan ni RTA apat na ang nahulog. It seems to me like yung mga members ng Somsri na outgun sila ngayon, and X Solo Q gets another point. I believe the score right now, Sneaky, 1-5.
Yeah, 1-5. Slow and Steady is not winning the race para sa side ng Somsri at this very moment. Could be a different story once the half does turn, pero i-remind lang natin yung nangyari last game support na naging malamig dito si YF. And hopefully he does see a different form this time pagdating dito ng second half. Pero so far, grabe naman yung X Solo Q. They're so aggressive, so assertive sa pagkuha ng map control dito. But now, they're gonna play a bit passive, min 8, a bit open, pero low HP na yung player na to.
Yeah, Somsri trying to change up the pacing now. Kaso nga lang, wala pa silang nahanap dito. Tsaka may isa pang bantay dito sa door area. Gusto ata niyang pasukan, kaso nga lang hindi niya tinutuloy. Sniper! Wala pa din siya nangahanap. And now, you're gonna have to back it up. Just holding against one another. And the slow pace. Isa pang mabagal na galawan muli nilalabas ng Somsri. Yung C4, nakita natin, gusto nila pumunta dito sa mid-side. Ano na naman ang kanilang plano dito? Smoke A, punta spawn. Smoke A, punta B. Smoke A, pumasok ng A side. Ayan na, nakapasok na sila dito sa side. Pero feeling ko, may alam sila na may mga tao nagbabantay sa labas ng LA. Okay, ayan, naka-plant na din. Okay, waiting for it to happen. Slowly. 30 seconds is still here on the clock as RTA. Nakahanap siya ng isa. The retake here from X Solo Q has to be perfect. We find another one from Luke. Kaso nga lang, Ikos nahulog na rin. 2-on-2 situation. Red life na lang ito. And just like that, RTA fighting for the last 2 kills. And the defuse pulls out as X Solo Q. Tuloy-tuloy lang ang kanilang pagpanalo dito sa first half. 1-6.
Yep, and it seems like I might have caster cursed Somsri into absolute hell, and you have caster blessed itong X Solo Q. And the combination dito ni RTA at ni Luke so far has been so effective para dito sa side ng X Solo Q. Somsri cannot keep up, and hindi nila na-expect. Onekus already moving forward. Min 8 nakuha na nga si RS, and they're just rolling over. Itong Somsri, no chance to breathe, no chance to think.
Diba? A little bit of a fumble there. Galing sa window, XX. At least nakahanap siya ng 2 pitas. Kaso nga lang, si Luke na lang ang naiwan dito.
Not the classic Pinoy overheat, pare.
Masyadong uminit nga eh. Sa totoo lang yun. Pero wait! Luke.
It is Luke.
Will he stay here in B? Will he be able to find his opponent habang nagtatambay siya dito sa B? Because this might be the right read galing kay Luke. Kayang-kaya niya manglason dito. At tingnan mo ba naman ang HP ng player ni YF at ni XX. YF, red life, full life, kasi si XX, red life. So, kung may paraan na si Luke kumuha muna ng pitas kung kalaban niya si YF, it's going to be huge. Kaso nga lang, slowly but surely, wins the race, no? Okay.
Low si XX though. So if makuha nga dito si XX and YF misses his shot, then that's a possibility. Pero Luke instead is just gonna foray on back, pabalik dito sa entrance B, and a possible 1v2 under her belt, and let us see YF. They're both playing batteries, a very safe position to really guarantee yung kanilang panalo dito, knowing na low HP na dito si Luke and having to peek all of these angles at the same time. XX is spotted, YF is spotted at the same time. Pareho silang nasa batteries, pero tignan mo, sumasayaw-sayaw lang sila dito sa may baterya. And Luke, nakuha si XX, pero si YF na-realize na low HP yung last player. And Somsri, after a drought of rounds, nakakuha na rin sila ng pangalawa.
Alam mo, onteng masyado yung init na pinakita ng X Solo Q nun, no? Feeling ko may mga set plans talaga sila, and feeling ko nga talaga that was just a quick example of what they can do. So, just have to look at it the way that it is. As RTA, nakahanap siya ng dalawa. Pero after 2, nahulog na din. Nahulog na din siya as Ikus.
Oh,
Nakahanap din siya ng dalawa para sa sarili niya. Naiwan na lang si YF. 2-7 start dito sa first half. Tapos nagkaganada pa. Nako, na popcorn. And ayan na, X-Solo Q. Tinapos tong unang half on a 2-7 score line. Napaka-lala ang pinapakita sa atin.
When you get caught sa tower, you're gonna expect some nades flying towards you. And ayun lang. And let us see YF taking position in towards yung actually yung elevated position dito sa A. You can see some parts of mid, pero one goes RTA already. Start pa lang ng round, start pa lang ng half. QRL at OB nawala na agad, and this could be a B-side take if they can clear itong si RS dito sa ilalim. And this is gonna be X-Solo Q written all over it. YF a bit desperate for a trade, pero XX gets one in return. But what can happen here is SS. Oh no! And just like that, one fell swoop. Natapos na agad yung round.
8-2.
What are they on, man? RTA. I need your sense. I need yung almusal mo, gaming socks.
Drop ano yung pa? Ano mo, skincare routine, yung saan ka bumibili. At least ngayon, as Somsri, nakabawi. QRL, nakahanap siya ng isang pitas. Ikus, nawala na siya dito sa round na to. C4, dinap sila dito sa B pillar. Siguro dahil sa isang pitas na ginawa nila dyan, nag-slow down na ang pacing ng X-Solo Q. Well, kakasabi ko lang, si Minate, nahanap niya yung trade dyan kay QRL. Napakalaki yun para sa side ng XQ. As now, 4-on-4, alam natin kung 4-on-4, lamang talaga dito yung BL. So, slowly but surely, just naghahanap ng tamang position.
Someone's already in tower, so YF needs to be careful.
Yeah, just making sure that he doesn't know. And mukhang gusto ata pumunta ang X-Solo Q dito sa A-side. Minate,
is gone.
Ang galing nung palabas na si XX dun sa long. Nakaabang na si Minate sa tower. It is beautiful synergy na pinapakita sa atin dito ng X-Solo Q. And it looks like gusto nila i-rehit yung LA at gusto nila pumasok dito sa site. Kaso nga, YF holding.
Na one of them would split here para lang may maka-peek dito kay RS. But I think this is fine. Like 4A. I mean, sniper lang naman makabantay at most he kills one.
No. Okay, finally. YF! Dalawa! Kanyang nahanap. Tatlo? Hindi. Minate, isa. Luke, isa pa muli. 1-on-1 with the great... 2-on-1. OB, Granada, tinapon, damage, dead life. Hello? Nahulog na si XX and buti na lang si OB na clean up niya.
I think fully blinded yata dun si Luke from the flash, so no choice para sa kanya para i-push yung situation na yun. Obi was half HP, both of them having AKs. That could have gone either way, honestly. Pero Somsri, ayan na nga, slowly crawling back dito sa game natin. Pero napakadami pang rounds kailangan nilang isipin dito. It's still 8 para dito sa X-Solo Q at isang pagkakamali lang dito ng Somsri. That's match point for X-Solo Q and potentially a 2-0.
Yep, as now we see X-Solo Q changing up the pace. Mid-rush daw. Di nila alam na may sniper. Pero wala silang pake. Alam nila, nandyan si QRL. Tuloy-tuloy pa din. W Gaming. Huwag bitawan ang W key na nandyan. Nasa keyboard mo. XX finds for 1 kill. Tuloy-tuloy pa din. Ikus finds another one. RS, buti na lang. Nandyan siya. RS nahulog na eliminate na lang ang naiwan dito na 1-on-1 with the Great Ones.
Yeah! Oh! The one dig!
One tap sa ulo ang ginawa niya dito, Minate. Napakatindi, bringing Somsri into map point, series point.
Yep, and Minate with masterful pistol play gamit ang kanyang deagle dito, paired up with that AWM. Such a deadly combination, and X-Solo Q looking for the jugular dito sa
Oh
game
my
natin.
gosh.
Luke with the entry dito kay OB. RS, nakaantay dito sa gilid. Usually you do check this, but sometimes you don't. So it's a 50-50 for
Granada.
the B player. But that's just the smoke. RS
Oh, it's actually
looking on the entrance, waiting. Meron pang isang player sa site. So it's a two-man play. Pero tignan mo naman kung saan nakatingin si RTA. As soon as RS leaves yung position na to, a name is gonna pop out sa smoke and he's gonna start shooting immediately.
Wow. Okay. Holding it out. And dahil dyan, still on 4v4. And pang ilang beses ko na sinabi to, pero lamang ang blacklist side pagdating sa mga sitwasyon na to. So dapat yung Somsri, dapat mag-ingat sila. Dapat tama yung kanilang decision as
I
RTA
love this
nagbabantay sa lurk. And now, it's going to be a long hit. Kaso lang, may nagbabantay. YF nahulog na din dito sa A-Long. Hulog na din siya as there is pressure that is made. RS though, nahanap niya si RTA dun sa kabilang parte ng mapa. Minate, muntik pa makahanap ng isa pang pitas. Kaso nga lang, napaisip
Inip
niya,
talo yun.
wag muna.
Inip talo yung angle na yun. Kung nang
QRL.
mainip talaga, you're gonna lose that, honestly. Pero yeah.
Well, we are not sure as Minate now and Luke, tinitake nila yung B pillars. Gusto nila pumunta dito sa B-side. RS lang ang nag-iisang nagbabantay para sa kanilang side. Spotify, papasok. Nasa site na.
Oh, they're in.
Sa ilalim. Zyke
Oh,
has to
no.
make a name.
Oh, no.
A lot of the wrestlers try to make the name for themselves, and now they have to make a name for themselves. It's like, there you have XQ. X solo Q, 2-on-2, 30 seconds, bomb down. Kaya ba nila pumasok dito? Smokes, di ba ba? Low length!
Jesus.
And buti na lang, Somsri, buhay pa din. Still standing, still breathing. And 9-4 na ngayon ang score.
Yeah, and wala nang choice dun yung
Still a
mga
hard
members
push.
dito ng ating ng ating X-Solo Q squad kasi ayun nga, both of them are playing batteries. They're on low HP. So yeah, that was a forced fight and a fight that had to be taken para sa kanila dito before that retake even happens.
lang.
Pero Somsri, kapit patalim
Huh?
dito sa game natin pare. So,
Obi,
RTA, OB keeps dying.
Obi, masyado siyang uminit dyan sa push na yan. Kaso nga lang, buti na lang sa kabilang parte ng mapa, nakahanap siya ng dalawang pitas. Okay, magandang simula para sa side ng Somsri.
4v3.
Waiting and holding. 4v3. As Minate dyan sa angulo na yan. Sa ganyang vision, sa ganyang kaliit na nakikita mo, natamaan pa niya yung shot na yan. And that's huge for the side of XQ. X solo Q right now, nagpapakita ng isang napakalupit na paraan para maglaro ng crossfire. Buti na lang si QRL, buhay na din. Tinigilan ang momentum na pinapakita ni Minate. Kaso nga lang, may tao sa likod. Malalaman ba niya? Oo, spotted out na siya. Luke forced to back out. Kaso nga lang, tignan mo ba naman kung nasan si RTA nakapwesto? Nasa spawn na siya ng kalaban.
Huge.
Pwede siya makalason
Pwede siya mag-B.
dito.
Yeah.
Pwede siya mga tigil ng mga rotation pag nakapasok na siya dito sa B-side. This is an insane play coming up from the
patay si
side
QRL.
of X Solo Q. And he finds
Oh
two!
my God, it's a disaster.
YF na lang ang naiwan dito na 1v2. Nakadigil pa siya.
Ang deep pa ni RTA dito sa RS, man.
Napakalalim. Pero alam ba niya? Oo, at dahil dyan, X Solo Q ang mananalo dito sa series